if we could talk to Mark about the European Attractiveness Survey, which I know Ernst and Young produces on an annual basis, and you've got a 6-month update on that, haven't you? Perhaps you could tell us a bit about that and about China.
Yes, so inward investment remains a good story for Europe. It's 4% up this year, and was up last year as well, so first half of the year. China has become an increasingly important driver of that growth. It's a lot of the incremental growth in Europe. So China now accounts for 4 or 5% of FDI into Europe, but it also accounts for 1/3 of all foreign direct investment into Germany. So we are starting to see, as Julian was talking about, these two-way effects of trade. You know, we were talking about decoupling a little while ago in terms of regions of the world. That clearly isn't the case, and the knock-on effects are there, clear to see. So if China slows, inward investment would slow as well.
Okay, and can I ask you too about American investment into Europe? Is that likely to go up? I mean, there's the fiscal cliff waiting.
Sure. So America is the biggest investor into Europe. Traditionally, 25–30% of all foreign direct investment into Europe comes from America. And that's dominated by 3 sectors: business services, software and financial services. The first two are holding up well, and business services is growing pretty significantly. Financial services was down 10% last year. It's down another 7 or 8% in the first half of this year. So it's a mixed story. It's probably less about the performance of the US economy than the structure of both the US and the European economy. Investment-wise, the US, I agree with the sentiment on the US, and that drives business services, drives software investment. So that would be, for me, 2 hotspots. And the one other surprising thing from the survey out today is a resurgence in Central and Eastern Europe. We've been quite worried about that region with the banking sector and some of the spillover effects, but in terms of foreign direct investment and particularly job creation, they've had a very good start to 2012. So that may be a new emerging opportunity.